Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Conversations. So we have a new cryptocurrency exchange opening up in India right now, which is called Coinome.com. And what is special about the Coinome.com is this is a company, this is an initiative by Builders.com. I'm sure if you're using MasterCard and Visa card, then you must have come across Buildesk, right? One of the largest payment solution company in India has opened up a new cryptocurrency exchange called Coinome. We want to talk about this and what could be possible, what is the possible significance of this cryptocurrency exchange. And we'll also have a look at some news from Korea, Chicago, and Philippines. And also, just to let you know, we'll be live at about anything between 12:30 to 1, so just about half an hour from now. Make sure if you can come on the live session, do come. And once again, wishing you all a very happy Sunday morning. And thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. This is a channel where we talk about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, blockchain, ICOs, news developments, market sentiments around the globe. So if you're involved in the cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, probably this can keep you updated. And having said that, guys, also just a disclaimer that this is not an investment advice channel. If you're investing into cryptocurrencies, understand there are risks involved and do your due diligence before investing into cryptocurrencies. Let's start with the cryptocurrency market cap. So we have Bitcoin very close to touching $9,000. This is great again because we just about 3 months back, we touched about 7,000, 8,000 and now 9,000. It's like every month a growth of $1,000. It's like growing like crazy. So will it touch 9,000? Possibly yes. Just about $70 away from $9,000 Bitcoin. You have Ethereum at $457, again grown up from the last week. About 10 days back it was trading $300, so very positive news again on Ethereum. We are definitely stepping into a new ecosystem, new financial system for sure. Bitcoin Cash $1,591, slightly dropped down from 1,700 to 1,591. You have Bitcoin Gold surprisingly touching $355 in spite of there being news that Bitcoin Gold may be a scam which has stolen. People have lost Bitcoin, but still it is very shocking to see that Bitcoin Gold prices also come up. Dash at $637 and Litecoin at 85. The total market cap at $282 billion, very close to 300. And it's just about 3 months back that it has touched about 200 billion, now close to 300 billion, of course with Bitcoin dominance with 52%. Now having said that, let's get into this exciting news. So the leading payment services company in India has started a cryptocurrency exchange which is called Coinome. As you can see, the Coinome is a Buildesk initiative. Now, what is so exciting about this Coinome exchange? Of course, we have exchanges like ZepPay, UnoCoin, CoinSecure, CoinX, all of them in India. But what is so special about Coinome is an initiative by Buildesk, and Buildesk has investments from banks like State Bank of India and Bank of Baroda. As you can see here, two of India's leading public sector banks, State Bank of India and Bank of Baroda, have invested in Buildesk. Now, obviously, if these are investors, whenever you open up a company like Coinome or anything, you definitely have to consult with investors as well, right? So what does it say? Does it say that we are on the positive move to regulate, to bring some positive news in the cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin from regulations? Maybe yes, maybe no, I don't know, but I would definitely like to know about your opinion. What do you think? Now, Buildesk launching a cryptocurrency exchange called Coinome, and not only that, they have said that they will not just be trading into Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, but they are looking to add 20 cryptocurrencies in a year. Now, let's read this statement from the CEO of Coinome, sorry. He says that at Coinome, we are excited to bring cryptocurrencies to masses. India, with a limited number of exchanges supporting multiple cryptocurrencies, offers immense opportunities. The only multiple cryptocurrency exchanges that I am aware of is CoinX right now. Maybe there are a few more, CoinDelta as well, a couple of more. And in that scenario, of course, this is a very exciting news. It says that in next 1 year, we'll be targeting 20 popular cryptocurrencies and promoting the same within Indian masses as commercially viable alternative for building the digital assets. BillDesk expertise in secure online payment will support Coinome in promoting cryptocurrency as a viable avenue for investments, transactions, and building digital assets. Now, this is very exciting for me for sure. For investments, for transactions, and for building digital assets, right? Now, this is just my opinion. What I also think, since BillDesk is already an online payment solution wherein people also pay their bills and things like that, I wouldn't be surprised if Coinome comes up with a platform where people will be able to pay their bills like electricity bill, telephone bill, and all of their bills using the cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and things like that, because they are already an existing venture. I think we are there very soon, guys. But I would like to know your opinion. What do you think on that? Now, Coinome is definitely very, very exciting to me, considering that it's backed by one of the biggest payment solution company in India, in existence for more than 15 years now. The BillDesk was formed in year 2000, and they have done extensively well. They have great support from the banks. Of course, they are also the BillDesk is also supervised by Reserve Bank of India, so things like that. So what do you think about this news, guys? Don't forget to let me know in the comment below. Definitely want to hear your opinion on this. Having said that, let's get on to some other news. So Korea's one of the biggest exchange in Korea called I don't know whether they have mentioned the name here, Shihan Bank, right? Shihan Bank, the second largest bank in Korea, is now building a crypto wallet services. What does it mean? So crypto wallet services wherein people can store their cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and all that. And surprisingly and shockingly, this is being built by one of the largest bank. So now you see the banks getting into the cryptocurrency space and blockchain space, which is very exciting, right? It actually tells us that how we are moving towards mainstream. Another news I would like to share is Chicago Board options CBOE to launch Bitcoin futures announces specifies. Now CBOE, right? So they have released its new Bitcoin derivative contracts. We already know that the CME group, which is Chicago Mercantile, what do you say that? Chicago, right, CME group has announced Bitcoin futures. So you have Bitcoin futures being traded soon, then you have Bitcoin derivatives being traded soon. Now these are the news which is definitely helping the Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies market to grow up, right? So this is another news. So you have one news from Korea, another news from Chicago. Now Philippines regulator plans to legalize cryptocurrencies as securities. So this is another news, right? So you have a lot of news in this episode which talks about how Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are going to be mainstream. So as you can see here, it says that the direction for us to, this is from the Manila, this is one of the SEC commissioner, Emilio, stated in a news conference that the direction is for us to consider this so-called virtual currencies offering as possible security, in which case we will apply the security exchange code. The heightened frenzy and increasing popularity surrounding initial coin offering has pushed authorities to lay down some new rules to protect consumers. So this is the news from Philippines, Manila. Of course, the Coinome have their Twitter handle, so in case you want to go ahead and follow that, introducing bank deposits, free deposits through IMPS, NEFT, RTGS. This is Coinome on Twitter, just in case if you like to follow. I will be retweeting it right away. And of course, guys, another thing is that UnoCoin's first event is being to be held in Hyderabad today from 11. I think it's already started, which is today. So it's a India tour from UnoCoin talking about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, which we have already covered on this channel one. So just in case in case you are interested, you can go ahead, you can respective city and go ahead and attend those events. And yeah, that's it for now, guys. Let me know if you have any questions and comments on this video, and don't forget to come on the live session between 12:30 to 1 today. Let's talk about, let's chat, let's converse, let's share some news and opinion. Let's talk about cryptocurrencies, and things like that. It is Sunday, and I'm not sure what your plan is, but just in case if you're free, do join me on the live session between 12:30 to 1. I will see you then. Thank you so much for watching this episode. In case you like the content, hit the like. Make sure you share this channel with your friends so that we are all updated with cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin news. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome to the future and take care. See you.